Okay, I'm not sure where you're seeing me, and I only get one take at this because I don't have any time. I get about 10 minutes before I got to take a kid to like a class. It's a Saturday. I'm going to pull out one of my trusty OSB sheets, drop it. I'm going to grab the desk from the side over here. I'm going to cut the center out so it can be nightstands at some point. And we're going to start with that piece of furniture in the driveway covered up as kind of a game. We're going to do a rating of 10 being I can dust it off and put it up for sale versus needing so much work that it's completely unusable and maybe is leaving the property in a bucket. As you can see, I'm dressed up with the Wookiee of the Year, wearing my snowflake pants because it's about 35 degrees right now and windy, and this is actually a warm day at this point. First thing is I got to get some of the extra stuff. That used to be a dresser. And then I want the 1/2 inch. It's starting to puff up on the edges and it's tough to tell. We'll drop this, that should be in frame. I got a big UV resistant plastic I got from a neighbor's painting business. This is supposed to be a solid sheet of plastic, keeping this from getting wet, but it's disintegrated. So I want to grab it before the whole thing dissolves. So that's let's get you closer up. You can see what I'm seeing. Let's get rid of this. So the base is a little wet. There's a little veneer looseness, but the drawers are not totally coming apart. Probably needs some kind of drawer stop. Well, it's a little wackadoodle, to be expected. The top, not the end of the world. I mean, this is walnut veneer and it's trashed. But you're going. The plan is to maybe keep this natural and paint the rest of it. It's got a really nice shape. It's got 3 drawers. They pull out. What you don't want is the cupboards that kind of snap open, because the thing is these little desks are so light that you kind of throw your nightstand across the room trying to close or open the cupboards if the clasp or the click is too, the catch is too strong. So gotta get this out of here. Oh my gosh, that is lovely. That is really a piece of beautiful flowery. I don't know what that is, but it's got nails in it, so I'm going to throw that away. So anyways, I'm going to do a very generous cut here and there. And then is there a back? Yeah, I'm going to run the saw down the back, and then I'm going to knock this out, and then these will be a lot easier to transport. So that's the plan. So yeah, this is black, probably moldy, whatever. It's going to go away. I'm going to stay generously away from this edge. I can trim this with a track saw or oscillating, like a flush cut saw, whatever, but right now I just need to make it smaller. So and I don't want to tear up the substrate like under here. I don't want to crack it or rip it too much. So now actually, let's see, it's going to be truer to hook the back, square it up. All right, here goes nothing. That wasn't great. It's a little wet. I think that's what's creating some of the issues. So as you can see, what I'm doing is a kind of a skim cut. I do a lighter cut as I drag it across. Makes it easier for the saw to work, and then I come through and do a deeper cut. So let's adjust this for fun. Okay, so they're separated. I'm going to take the moldy black walnut parts, just pitch the ones that are toast, as well as some of this. Make sure it doesn't pick up any spores in my new space. And so I'm going to say that's good. I'm going to go get my vehicle, toss these in, and get on with my Saturday. Okay, so there's the dresser, the desk, cut into its respective components to be a future nightstand set. I've got some cedar spacers under there just so the top can dry out and maybe kind of see if it snaps back a week from now and if it's a little bit more stable. So yeah, those are cut up, easy to store, easy to move. Good winter project for flipping stuff. Don't let them sit outside too long, like I did. But they're decent money. They're a little bit of work. If you've got the tools, though, you can make it happen.